Hello, my name is Namrata and welcome to the first class of Mobility and Flexibility series. So I have curated this series for all the beginners who want to work on their mobility and flexibility as the name suggests. So first, let's understand what is mobility and what is flexibility. Okay. So sitting like this, when I raise my leg up, you can see that. So how high it can go, this is my mobility. I can't raise more than this. Okay. But with the support of my palms, I can raise it much higher. And this is the flexibility. So without any support, how much ever I can raise, it's a mobility. With the support, it's the flexibility. So let's get started all together. Okay, so we'll start with the spinal warm-up. Inhale, raise your both the hands up. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Few more rounds at your own pace. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the spine lengthening. Exhale. One more time. And exhale. Okay. Again the same. Inhale and up. Now bend towards the right as much as you can. Center and then left. Center and right. Center and left. One last time. Center and right. Center and left. Center and relax. Now bring your fingertips to your shoulders. Rotate it from the front, up and back. Make sure your elbows are touching each other. Your biceps are coming closer to your ear and back. 3 and 4. Now in the opposite direction. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now slowly come to the tabletop position. We'll do few cat and cow rounds. Inhale and exhale, hunch your back. So inhale, arch your back, look up to the ceiling, push your chest down. Exhale, hunch your back, look towards your navel. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, hunch your back. And now, neutral position. Now from here, I want you to tuck in your toes, lift your hip up. Okay, slowly one by one, you can raise one heel, move your knee inward in a crisscross way. Keep moving. Little bit warming up for the legs. And slowly walk your hands back and stand on the mat. Now we'll do few dynamic rounds of back bending and forward bending. So watch me first. Inhale and exhale. Again, when we come up, inhale and arch back, exhale, center. Okay, so we'll do this for 6-7 rounds all together. Inhale, raise your hands up, push your hips forward. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. and center. Feel that? Okay. So now few rounds up, Anjane Asana. So I want you to again come back to the tabletop position. From here, right leg forward, raise your hands up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. 5 and down. Okay, take the right leg back, left leg forward. 5 more rounds. Inhale up and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. Okay, slowly take the leg back. So let's start with the shoulder opening first. Come near to the wall. So the distance is 1 arm and take 1 foot back. Now from here I want you to drop your chest down and little bit up. So we are going for few pulses here. You can watch me once. Here, up and down. Up and down. So let's all start together. Come to the wall, place your palms and let's start pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come back. Relax your hands, shake your hands. Again to the same wall, palms to the wall. Drop your chest down and keep pushing your chest down and hold. So here we are taking the support of the gravity to pull chest closer to the ground. So this is working as a flexibility. The pulses which we did in the starting, it was for the mobility. Hold here for 10 counts. Keep pushing your chest down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, my shoulders are burning up, 2, and 1. Slowly up. Relax your hands. Take few deep breaths. It was intense. So now one more variation. I want you to keep your elbows on the wall this time. So keep it here. Drop your chest down. You can walk your hands down, a little bit more down. If you can, in hip level, that's perfect. Now from here, again go for pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Push your chest down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up, shake your hands and come back to the mat. So feeling good? Okay. So it's a first day. Do not push yourself much. Let's start for the strengthening of the back and back flexibility. So watch me first. Lie down on your abdomen. Move your chest forward. Now from here, I want you to interlock your hands and raise your chest up. Okay? Try to bring your palms away from your body. Now from here we'll go for 10 rounds. Inhale and exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay. So all together, lie down on your abdomen. Move your chest forward. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and chest up. Exhale down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down. 10th one we'll hold. Inhale and up. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath for 10. 9. Just a little bit more up. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Exhale. Drop your chest down, hands by the side of the body. Push your chest up and relax in child's pose for a few breaths. Take long deep breaths. Bring your attention on your back, mostly on the upper back. Relax that part. Relax the upper back. And slowly sit back. Now in the back bending, the third crucial part, quadriceps. So we'll work on opening the quadriceps. Okay. So I want you to come to the lunge position. From here, move your feet a little bit forward so that you can move your hip forward. Okay. So we'll go for the pulses here. Let's try. Come to the lunge position. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will be holding. If you are feeling lots of pressure on the knee, please fold the mat and then keep your knee. Okay. So now hold the leg with the opposite hand. So I'm holding the right leg with the left hand and trying to keep it closer. Bring the feet closer to my hip. Now I'll hold here and I'm trying to push my hip down as much as I can. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Relax. Take the left leg back. Right leg forward. And again, first we'll go for the pulses. We'll repeat on the left side. Okay. So let's start. You can keep your hands on the waist or up, whatever you are comfortable with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold. Drop your left palm down this time. Hold the left leg with the right hand. Try to bring your heel closer to your hip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now slowly turn around and lie down on your back. We will be doing the final asana, Chakrasana of the class, the final back bending asana. After this, we'll do a little bit of cool down and stretches to release any tension from the lower back. So now I want you to keep your feet closer to your hips. Hands up. See how I'm raising my hands up like this and dropping fingers down. Fingers pointing towards yourself. Fingers are not pointing out. Fingers are pointing towards you. Okay, so now slowly I want you to raise your hip up. If you're comfortable, I want you to raise your head also up. Hold. If you're still comfortable, I want you to raise your hip as well up. Sorry, the head, chest also up. So we'll hold here. Wherever you are, even if you are here, that's completely fine. You are here, that's completely fine. Do not drop your hip for any reason. Let's hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep squeezing your glutes, 6, 5, push your body weight forward, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lie down, hug your knees, and relax. So it's an intense asana. I want you to take few deep breaths here. You can keep your eyes closed and observe your body. One more deep breath. Now slowly roll forward and back, massaging the spine. Now side to side. And center. And I want you to extend your arms to the sides, interlock your both the legs like this. Now drop your legs towards the left and look towards the right. Relax the lower back. Make sure your both the shoulders are down on the mat. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to the center, interlock your legs, change the legs. Now drop it towards the right and look towards the left. Make sure your shoulders are not again coming off the mat. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lie down on your back. Remove your spectacles. Keep your feet apart. Hands by the side of your body. You all did great today. Now it's time to relax your mind and the body. Keep your fingers naturally curled, eyes closed, whole body completely relaxed. Bring your attention to your breath and observe your breath. Now observe your body, scan your body. And lie down in silence for 30 seconds. Now bring back yourself to the present. Move your fingers and your toes. Move your head side to side. Join your both the feet, interlock your fingers, stretch it over your head and stretch your whole body. Stretch, stretch, stretch and relax. Now slowly sit back comfortably. Keep your eyes closed, spine straight, and a gentle smile on your face. We will end the practice with 1 Omkara and 3 Shantis. Join your both the palms at heart center. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms, generate some heat. Keep it on your eyes. Open your eyes looking at your palms. Thank you all for joining today's class. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share with your colleagues. Please like and let me know in the comment how you felt about this class. Thank you.